Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the door latch in a GE dishwasher. It's going to be a very easy repair, should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For this job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver, a 1/4-inch socket wrench, and a small flat blade screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new door latch. This door latch is mounted on the inside of the dishwasher's door in the upper portion. If the dishwasher's door won't stay closed or the dishwasher won't run at all, check the door latch and replace it if needed. To get to the part, we need to separate the outer and inner doors of the dishwasher. We're going to start with 2 screws at the bottom. There's a 1/4-inch screw in each corner. We need to take them out. I'm going to use the socket wrench with the 1/4-inch head on it. Let's dive under and do the work. Alright, so this is the first screw, and using the socket wrench, 1/4-inch, we're going to remove it. And the second one, put it right there. Now I'm gonna open the door. So we've got the 12 Phillips screws that holds inner and outer door together. We're gonna take 10 screws out, and I'm going to loosen up these 2 screws. We're not gonna take them out. I'm gonna start from this side. I'm gonna leave this one in for now. It will hold the doors together. Alright, so I'm going to loosen this slightly, and this. Alright, then we're going to continue on the left side of the door. And again, I'm going to leave this one in for a few more seconds. And now I'm going to lift up the door slightly, and we're going to support it from underneath. I'm going to take this one out, and I'm going to go on the opposite side, do the same thing. I'm holding the door. Alright, I'm going to put the door in the upper position, and I'm going to slide it out. Up and out. Don't take the door away because we have connector here. We need to disconnect it first. So there is a tab right there. We need to press it down. I'm using the small flat blade screwdriver. Push it down, and we're gonna disconnect the ribbon. And we're gonna take the door away. Alright, so this is our door latch, and we need to take out 1, 2, and 3 Phillips screws to remove it. Using the Phillips screwdriver, we're going to do that now. Alright, that's going to be number 1. We're going to pull out this latch. Alright, so we've got the 2 wires here attached to the switch. And that black and white goes on this side and the double black on the top. I'm going to install it in the same order. So I'm going to use this flat blade screwdriver. I'm going to take out the wires from the terminals. There you go. This is the old door latch next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Alright, so we're going to connect the wires to the new switch. Double black goes on the top, and the black and white on the side. We're going to slide it on this post here, and we're going to put it so all 3 holes will match. And I'm going to secure it with the 3 Phillips screws. I'm going to use the Phillips screwdriver, going to tighten the screw. All right, Now we're gonna put the other door on. All right, let's ring the door, put it down here, and we're going to connect the ribbon. All right, so we're gonna put it in, and we're going to press it in. Hold on the door, push it in. And now I'm going to put down the insulation. And we're going to install the door. All right, make sure that the brackets are turned this way. All right, so we're going to sort of hang the door. All right, let's place it on the brackets. I'm supporting the door with my foot at the bottom and lock it on these brackets. Now we're going to tighten the screws slightly, and I'm going to put the rest of the screws. I'm going to open it, support it, and place the screws in. I'm going to use a Phillip screwdriver, going to tighten it. So that would be our pilot screw. Also, it will be holding the door. And I'm going to switch the sides. And I'm going to place one screw on this side too. All right, now we're going to install the rest of the screws. Okay, now I'm going to loosen up this one slightly and make sure that they are centered. There's no holes around the screws. All right, I'm going to close the door. And now I'm going to secure the bottom of the door with a couple of 1/4-inch screws. I'm going to place them in and turn it manually as far as it goes, and then I'm going to tighten it with the socket wrench. Plug the dishwasher in and enjoy your clean dishes. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.